Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be discussing Windows Sandbox and how to install and use it. Windows Sandbox is like a disposable computer inside your computer. Anything you do stays contained, so when you close it, everything is completely wiped away. To use Windows Sandbox, you need to be on Windows Pro, Enterprise or Education editions of Windows 10 or 11. Your computer needs to support virtualization, which allows you to create a virtual environment. Let's find out what version of Windows 11 this device is running. I'll show you a couple of different ways how to do this. First, in the search, let's type About. As you can see, this device is running Windows 11 Pro. Let's try another way. Load up Command Prompt and type in WinRAR. I'll leave all the commands in the video description. Press Windows on R and at the same time type in dxdiag. Now let's see if the device has virtualization turned on. Go back to Command Prompt, type in msinfo32 and scroll down to see if virtualization is enabled in the firmware. If not, you'll have to enable this in the BIOS. Now let's install Windows Sandbox. Type Control Panel in the Windows search box and go to Programs and Features. Now click Turn on Windows Features on or off. Scroll down to Windows Sandbox and tick it, and then press OK. Then restart your device. This will take around 10 minutes to install. Now that the device is restarted, type in Windows Search, Windows Sandbox. As you can see, this is now a VM. Now let's download some malware on this machine. Microsoft Defender doing its job, but let's click Keep. Let's try and run the file. Let's install some software on the disposable VM. I'm going to pick the good old classic WinRAR. As you can see, WinRAR is now installed. If you restart the VM or close it down, you'll get the following message: let's close down the VM. Now let's open Windows Sandbox again and see if WinRAR is still installed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel.